Types of investments, factors affecting and basic purpose of investment. We are going to learn in this topic investment accounting. This is an copyrighted video. So copy of this work, editing and re-editing of this video is an offensive act and legally punishable. Welcome you all. Before we start, we have developed short video of 4 to 10 minutes for better understanding of the students or learner. Wherever it was not possible, we have tried to shorten the length of video up to possible extent. So kindly watch this video completely for better understanding and application. What is inside this video? What is investment? What are the different types of investments? Factors to be considered while purchase of investments, and why investment accounting is necessary. What is investment? In simple words, anything which we buy or purchase in anticipation of earning more money in future is called as investment. However, as per accounting standard 13 of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, investment is an asset held for earning income by way of dividend, interest, rental, for appreciation of capital, or for other benefits to investing enterprise. What are the types of investment? On the basis of holding period, there are two types of investment, that is short term investment and long term investment. Whereas on the basis of nature of investment, again there are two types of investment, that is variable earning investment and fixed earning investment. Variable earning investment means an investment on which the return is not fixed, it is fluctuating, variable, like investment in shares. Fixed earning investment means the return on which is fixed, like investment in debentures, investment in fixed deposits, etc. How Accounting Standard 13 classifies the investment? The first type or classification of investment provided as per Accounting Standard 13 is government issued securities. Then debentures and bonds issued by the companies, shares issued by the companies, deposits with different banks or companies, properties which are immovable, and other investments like jewelry, other returns, etc. What are the factors to be considered while purchase of investment? The first important factor that we should consider before purchase or while purchase of investment is liquidity. Then security of investment and profitability. Now what is liquidity? It is the power or capacity of an asset or investment which we have purchased to convert it into cash. Security is safety of investment, and profitability is earning or return on the investment. Now why this investment as an investment accounting is necessary? The first reason is investment accounting is necessary for proper record of security, for collecting interest or dividend, for valuing investment logically and scientifically, and for ascertaining the profit or loss on sale of investment. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, The Guide Worldwide. Hit the bell icon Happy learning to you all.